Hello students, I welcome you all to my channel Life's Calculations. This is again one news has come for ICSE and ISC exams. The news says that ICSE and ISC exams are likely to be delayed next year. Okay, this is the news. Is this is the news which came up on 26 November. Okay, I'll read the news for you. The ICSE and ISC examinations are likely to be delayed next year, but both exams will be held for sure. Okay, so see this line, both exams will be held for sure, and the dates will be finalized after assessing the COVID-19 situation according to the Council for Indian School Certificate Examination, that is CISCE. Right? Gary Arathun, CISCE Secretary and Chief Executive, said it was his personal opinion that it would not be possible to conduct the two tests in February and March, the time which they were usually held till this year. Okay, the CISCE has not taken any decision on the dates till now. The news further says, it is quote from the chief executive of CISCE only. It is my assumption that the exams can't be held in February. COVID-19 cases are rising up in a number of states where we have good number of schools. It will be difficult to conduct the exams even in April. See this line. It will be difficult to conduct the exams even in April if the trend continues. Okay, in that case the exams will have to be held later. We will have to wait and see the situation. The dates can be finalized after the number of COVID cases start decreasing. This is my personal opinion. Okay, means it is the quote from the CISCE chief executive only, right? The council has not yet taken any decision as yet on when the ICSE and ISC exams can be held next year, Gary Arathun told Education World. The news further says that he said the schools have remained closed since March and they need adequate time to get ready for conducting the exams. Along with the readiness of the schools, other important factors, like very much important factor, is that willingness of the guardians will also have to be taken into account before finalizing the examination dates. Right? The news goes as the board exams will have to be conducted surely. Okay, see this line again. The board exams will have to be conducted. Schools were kept closed throughout the entire academic year. The schools need sufficient time to get ready with the facilities needed to conduct the examinations. Okay, so this is the great concern put up by the council, right? The exams can be held if the guardians were willing to take the risk of sending their wards to the campuses to write the exam. So students, this is the news and it is only the personal opinion of the CISC Secretary and Chief Executive, right? This is the news only, okay, but we should also see the concerns put up by him, right? Put up by the Secretary and Chief Executive, okay. So the point is that the board exams will be surely conducted. It may be delayed. Earlier also the news was this only. It may be delayed by 45 to 60 days, but the exams are surely going to be conducted and you need to work very hard for those exams, right? So this was the news. For more such news, please stay tuned to my channel and keep watching and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.